And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Holiday weekend is here. If you're trying to figure out something to do, well, I don't know if I have a ton of suggestions. I did finally find some little dumbbell weights at the store, so now I can work out a little bit more. I get, sexy for summer, but if that's your activity, maybe you want to get out and exercise some this weekend. Coolest time will be in the morning. Let's check out your day planner tomorrow for this 4th of July. It's going to be hot in the afternoon, so again, if you want to exercise in the morning, temperatures rising out of the low 80s near sunrise to the upper 90s, even over 100 in some areas in the afternoon. I think we will see a lot of sunshine throughout the day. The air quality is improving. It's still probably going to be in the moderate category, but not as dusty as it was a couple days ago. If you maybe grilling or eating is more of your thing tomorrow, again, hot in the afternoon, upper 90s, a lot of sunshine. It won't be too breezy. I don't think you have to worry about like your cups or napkins blowing away too much. Breeze may only be up around 10 or 15 miles per hour most of the day. And look at the high temperatures. As hot as about 105 in Rio Grande City and Roma, 103 in San Ysidro, 100 in Edinburgh, 101 in La Jolla. Again, basically, if you draw a line right in the middle of the map across parts of Hidalgo County and right kind of up and down about US 281 and I-69C, west of that line, you have a chance to be over 100 degrees. Still in the upper 90s most everywhere else, and 80s right along the coast. Now, if you do have some fireworks, or you saw the story about the fireworks around Farr for one of the few displays around, it will be pretty quiet Saturday night. Light winds, clear skies, temperatures in the 80s in the evening. I imagine by about 10 p.m. some areas may be in the upper 70s like we show here, but kind of watch for some of that smoke around. The air quality may take a bit of a dip tomorrow night without much wind to mix that smoke out if there are too many fireworks. A lot of clear skies around right now. You don't see any rain near us, and it does look dry for the weekend. So if you do want to water the plants, we have dry weather Saturday and Sunday. We put in a 10% rain chance on Monday, but even that is going to be on the low end of 10%. I mean, maybe right 5% in there. There might be a small shower on Monday or a couple on Tuesday, but nearly every place should still be dry. Futuretrack overnight shows a lot of clear skies, humid weather, maybe a few clouds coming through. Tomorrow, some sunshine around, and again, not much wind, maybe 10, 15 miles per hour or so most of the afternoon. Sunday, a lot of sunshine again, and once again, light winds. So the weekend looks pretty quiet, and even as we get into Monday, I mentioned that small rain chance. You don't see anything appear on the map before noon, but the sea breeze might spark 1 or 2 small showers somewhere in the valley in the afternoon. The weekend looking pretty dry for the holiday weekend, July 4th and 5th, highs in the upper 90s. Some areas, as you saw in the previous maps, over 100 degrees. And the air quality, like I mentioned too, remember we had some of that dust come in from the Sahara. It's still kind of thinning out. There's still a little there, but not too much. It's on the kind of low end of moderate today, almost back to good, but it should kind of hang around that range for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So tonight, your First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Down to 77 late tonight. Most of the evening after sunset is still going to be in the 80s if you're out there doing something. Remember, some of you have curfew at 10 or 11 tonight. Tomorrow back up to 99 degrees, mainly sunny skies, heat index 105 to 110, a light wind from the southeast, maybe up to about 10 to 17 miles per hour, but lots of sunshine and lots of hot weather. Find a place to stay cool this weekend. High temperatures may drop a few degrees in some areas Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday just because of a few more clouds popping up with the sea breeze and a small chance for a shower, but there will be very little cooling. I mean, unless you happen to get a quick shower, I think most places stay in the mid to upper 90s, and longer range forecasts point towards still temperatures going back to above normal and maybe near 100 degrees or hotter in more areas later next week. So next weekend could be as hot or hotter than this weekend coming up with more sunshine and the breeze returning later in the week too. So very small chances of a shower Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but if you're betting, probably don't bet on getting much rain. It looks dry nearly everywhere. We'll keep tracking any of those changes for your holiday weekend and your First Warn 5 forecast here throughout the evening.